Good morning, students. So here we are with our chapter number 6, Team Spirit. Already we have completed the reading and the explanation part was over. Today we are here to complete the exercises of this chapter number 6, the Team Spirit, whose value is unity is strength. So once again we will see what was the main theme of this chapter. The main theme of this chapter is we should be united, because if we remain united, we can easily complete any task, and if we are divided, then we may fail and we may also have pressure for our work. Okay, so today we are going to start our chapter number 6 question answers. So just we will see the first question. Answer the following questions. First question is, list 4 advantages of working as a team. So this answer is from given on page number 36, and you will start from here. 4 advantages of working as a team are, and then we will come on the first page, 36 page number, first page of this chapter. See, it is given here. See, pages number may differ in your book due to different editions of the book. It may be of previous year or it may be new year, so you need to worry on this. Just you have to take the correct answer. So first answer is here. So first point, second point, third point and fourth point. These 4 points you have to write in your answer number 1. So this is your first answer. Next answer number 2. Second question is, which team is called a good team? So this answer is given on page number 37. So this answer is given here, as you can see. Start from here. Second paragraph. A good team is one where there is a good understanding between all its teammates. In a great team, teammates cooperate with each other. That is, they cooperate with each other. They are not selfish. A good team is not a one-man show. In a good team, every member gets respect and has a say in the team decision. So you have to write till decision. So start from here. A good team is one till this last of the para has a say in the team decision. So this is your answer number 2. Next, answer number 3. What are the qualities of a good leader? So this answer is given on. So you will start for this answer from here. The qualities of good leader are, and then it is given on page 38. So it is given here. 4 qualities you have to write. He performs beyond the routine task. He takes the initiative to achieve interesting results. He is focused on betterment. He motivates and guides his teammates. So you have to write these 4 points till here. You will start from, or you can start from here. A good leader has the following qualities, and till he motivates and guides his teammates. So this is your answer number 3. Next, 4th question. Who made a hole in the Noah's Ark? So this answer again on page number 38. You will start from here. Story. Unknowingly, a woodpecker made a hole at the bottom of the ark, and water began entering inside the boat. Starting from unknowingly to entering inside the boat. This is your answer number 4. Okay, my dear students. Next, 5th. What did the bee suggest to other animal? What did the bee suggest to other animals? So this answer is given on page number 38. And see, from here it is given. A bee came there and explained them how the bees always work together as a team. The bee suggests that everyone on the ark should do work in which it is the best. Again, a bee came there and explained how the bees always work together as a team. The bee suggests that everyone on the ark should do the work in which it is best. So this is answer number 5th. Next, 6th answer. At last, who saved the boat from sinking? So this answer is given on page 39. It is given here. A big fat whale appeared there and blocked the boat and blocked the hole. Again, a big fat whale appeared there and blocked the hole with its huge belly. It stopped water coming out from inside the boat. Meanwhile, other animals mended the hole. So, owing to the Team Spirit, animals prevented Noah's Ark from sinking. This is answer number 6. Again, I am repeating, you have to start from here. A big fat whale appeared there and blocked the hole with its huge belly. It stopped water from coming inside the boat. Meanwhile, the other animal mended the hole. So, owing to the Team Spirit, animal prevented Noah's Ark from sinking. This is your answer number 6. Next, what brings success and what brings downfall? This answer again going for number 39. It is here. Unity is strength and it brings success, while division and weakness and it brings downfall. This is your answer number 7. These are the 7 answers, question answer of your chapter. Okay, my dear students. Next, fill in the blanks. First, team spirit keep the spark. Team spirit keep the spark. S-P-A-R-K. Spark, not spork. Spark it is given. S-P-A-R-K of spark of being winner alive in you. Working with a team is truly an enjoyable. E-N-J-O-Y-A-B-L-E. Again I am repeating. E-N-J-O-Y-A-B-L-E. Enjoyable experience. Next, a good team is not a one-man show. So, good, G-O-O-D, good team. Next, hundreds of ants can together. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Together. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. 100 of ants can together kill a venomous snake. Next, 5th, a good leader takes the initiative. Initiative. That is the first step. So, what is the meaning of initiative? Initiative means the first step. So, initiative. I-N-I. Spelling is I-N-I-T-I-A-T-I-V-E. I-N-I-T-I-A-T-I-V-E. Initiative to achieve interesting goal. Initiative to achieve interesting goals. Next, team spirit is very weak weapon. No. Team spirit is very weak weapon. No. N-O, no. We are doing third exercise. Yes or no? So first answer is team spirit is very weak weapon. No. Next, team spirit produces fruitful result. Yes, the team spirit produces the fruitful results. Okay, good. Next, when one works in a team, the pressure is distributed. Yes, when the one works in the team, the pressure is distributed among all the members of the team. So, we can say that when one works in a team, the pressure is distributed. Unity is weakness. No. What is the weakness? Division is the weakness. Unity is strength and it brings success. Unity is strength and brings success, whereas division is weakness and it brings failure. So, unity is weakness? No. Fingers are weak, but fist has an immense power. So, my dear students, yes, it is very truly said that all the fingers are weak, but when it joins together and make a fist to punch someone, fist has an immense power. Yes. Next, unity is the best mantra to achieve success. Yes, my dear student, unity is the best mantra to achieve the success. So here this chapter is completed, my dear students. Now what you have to do? You have to do a very important thing. From your diary, you have to learn at least 2 prayers. you have to learn the two morning prayer, you have to learn one morning prayer and one classroom prayer. We say na, after every period we say a prayer, so you have, this is your work today. You have to learn the two prayers what I have given. One is after the classroom, which we say the prayer, thank you Lord for the helping guidance, and one you have to learn the morning prayer, that is, O God, infinite wisdom. These two prayer you have to learn for your upcoming exam. I am already again repeating what you have to learn. You have to learn two prayers, that is, O God, infinite wisdom, that is morning assembly, and the second one is thank you Lord for the helping guidance, that is the prayer which we say after each and every period. So these two prayer you have to learn for the this upcoming exams. I will ask this two prayer, I may ask this two prayer in the exams. Okay, my dear students, got this? So we will start our next chapter from our new next class. So till then you have to study and prepare for the exams, and you have to complete this works. No need to sit free, you have to complete work and you have to study for the exams.